are at 496 miles. Not that it's very exciting anymore because the C7s did it. Anyway, I thought I'd share. We're about to cross over into the 500 mile mark. I'm not sure what all the real excitement is about flipping over to 500 miles, but we'll get it anyway. It's just kind of fun. We're at 498. All right, drum roll as the excitement builds. 499 miles. I still don't get the enthusiasm about that, but it's fun. So we'll share it with everybody. I guess it will be kind of fun to kick it in the butt a little bit here. Clicking over here sooner or later. 500, we're there. Yep, there we go. Just changed over. So now we have 6,000 going into 6,500 red line. So yeehaw! Now we can get on it. We're just getting on the highway here. Just take a little stab at it. By golly, glad I got the opportunity to get on it actually. So I guess it was worth the wait to get to 500. I wasn't watching the red line, so I'm not sure where it went to, but that felt pretty good. I just kind of shifted off the sound. But so now we're with the rest of the YouTube crowd. We've clicked over 500 miles on our C8 Corvette. Watched the tachometer increase. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We'll get some more stuff downloaded. I've got some AMG C63S drive stuff coming up here shortly. All the best to everybody. Talk to you soon.